Planning a holiday budget can feel overwhelming. Spreadsheets are often messy, confusing, and easy to lose track of. This app is here to simplify everything. With just a few taps, you can manage your holiday expenses without stress. Whether it's travel, packaging, gifts, or entertainment, your expenses are organized in one place. You can enter your estimated costs, update what you actually spent, and instantly see if you're staying within budget. The app was built using AppSheet, a no-code platform from Google that turns your spreadsheet into a real application. With AppSheet, you can build forms, display charts, filter data, and even create mobile views without writing any code. All your data is safely connected to Google Sheets, so you can access and update it anytime, from anywhere. This is a holiday budget planner, made to help you stay on top of your spending without the stress. That's it for now. I hope this gives you some inspiration to create something useful with what you already have. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. See you in the next video.